Go. Go. This is Mark Antonio Pareño. I watched the replay of Manny Pacquiao and Juan Manuel Marquez. See that I told what I told about you. A knockdown. My prediction, a knockdown. Manny Pacquiao knockdown Marquez around round 3 or 4. Then I mean 4 or 5, around 5 or 4. Then my prediction, wreck pace, a wreck pace. If Marquez get away with this, there will be a wreck pace. Marquez pace is totally wrecked. Lots of blood in the face of Marquez, and in his mouth, and also in his left or right eye, and the mouthpiece of him just been thrown by the punch of Manny. Manny just pit him or got intimidated with lots of blood from the face of Marquez. We can blame the referee for we know Marquez can bounce back. He been knocked down 3 times, 1 time, 3 times. He can bounce back. But the thing is, Manny got intimidated. He did not lose. For me, he did not lose. He's just a Christian. He's just a Catholic Christian. He just got intimidated with lots of blood. Marquez, imagine he can finish Marquez in round 6, 1 minute and 10 seconds in the time clock. But Marquez pace is totally wrecked. His face full of blood. His nose full of blood. His left or right eye are full of blood. So not even me, if I'm Manny, I can hardly punch the fella. So the thing is, just put work and just let the referee and the audience notice the thing, that's the stuff in the face of Marquez, then get away with the win. So Manny just got intimidated with lots of blood. You will notice the punches of Manny Pacquiao when he wants to make even up with Juan Marquez knockdown. The punches of him thrown there, compare with the punches of him in the late 1 minute to 20 seconds in round 6. It's more like points, just punch points, not punch knockdown. He adjusted it again. You see, if Manny will not adjust his killing punches or his killing instinct, he will have a hard time finding someone to fight again. See, based from my analysis, Manny Pacquiao have 1 belt back then, so he can find another fighter, another boxer to fight. So he did adjust. They did adjust his weight just to have someone to fight with. So he defeated again. His belt becomes second belt. He have a 7 division belt. So he can find another fighter again. So they did adjust his weight again. So yeah. So then they have another one, and he take it again. He won it. So he got 3, he got 4, he got 5, he got 6, he got 7. Still no fighter to fight, to defend with. So he did adjust again his weight just to have another fighter. Then he got eight division belts. Now, thank God there's so they look back, they review the matches of Manny. Then they found Mr. Marquez, Bradley, is Marquez, Sanchez, Bradley is qualified for a rematch, as well as Morales. So the thing is, there it goes again. As promised by Mr. Roach, they will set the punches of Manny, or the killing instinct of Manny. You see the blood, when Manny wants to knock down Marquez, he knocks down it in round 4 or 5. And then the blood, from the first time Marquez and Manny Pacquiao met, the blood is still there in the face of Marquez. And Marquez in their first fight been knocked down by Manny 3 times in 1 round. My God. It just means in rematch 5 of them, Marquez is very possible to be knocked down in only round 1. I tell you, Manny just got intimidated with lots of blood in the face of Marquez. Even if you replay the said fight, Manny Pacquiao versus Juan Manuel Marquez, Manny Pacquiao is just a Christian Catholic fella, not a sadist fella. It's not a sadista. And Juan Manuel Marquez is not that bad. Anyway, he's not a bad dude. So there's a lot of blood in Juan Manuel Marquez get intimidated. His knockdown punches reduced to punch points, or point punches, just only point punches. He did reduce his knockdown prowess. That he get intimidated by the lot of blood of Marquez in his face and in his left or right eye. So he did adjust his punches again. It's just a Catholic Christian. Okay, this has been Mario Antonio pa rin. Bye sa Labos. I love the dude. They both good fighters, but I go still for Manny Pacquiao. I will never let go of our Manny Pacquiao. There's no there's no El Boxingero can match the Manny Pacquiao. Even heavyweights, I tell you. His speed is tremendous. It's impossible. You see, when he knocked down Marquez, it's a masterpiece. I told you, it's a masterpiece. Manny Pacquiao is a masterpiece. See, 8 division belts in the boxing history, in the world history. 8 division belts. Oh my God, what's that? It's more impossible. It's beyond impossible. The word impossible. Oh my God. See, not even Mr. Mayweather. Maybe they're just brothers. Black and Filipino, just they're brothers in America, and he didn't want to stain his records. And Filipinos and Black are more like relative, more like a family in America, and also here in Manila, Philippines. They're imports here. So the thing is, and one thing is, I hope no Filipino against Filipino, whether when I hope Donaire and Manny Pacquiao will not go against each other. And more wins for Manny Pacquiao. I think Manny can win any boxing matches without preparation. I think Manny can win matches 5 to 10 matches in 1 year. Not even 100 or 1,000. God. Nothing beats Manny Pacquiao. 8 division belts. My God. You see direct face of Marco Antonio Margarito. See direct face of Diaz. See the bad pull of Hatton. See the bad pull of Baba, etc, etc, etc. They did just and compare it to the fight against Bradley Lotti. They did adjust Manny Pacquiao's punch. They did just adjust Manny Pacquiao punch back then. So they lessened its instead of knocking down enemies, it just pointed points because they're afraid they don't have someone to fight again. So they will adjust again their Manny Pacquiao's weight, and his division will be 9, 10, 11, 2,000. Oh my God! If Manny Pacquiao is listening this video, I want his record to be 100 plus 1, or may I suggest to Manny, while he's young, just get a lot of match. Just play boxing. He's still number 1 in boxing for me. He's just got intimidated by the blood against his enemies. Just Catholic Christian. I told you. Replay. I want you to replay the game of Manny Pacquiao and Marquez. He just got intimidated with the blood of Marquez. It's too much for the naked eye. It's bloody. Oh my God! It's more like it's super bloody. It's bloody hell. No. Okay, I still go for Manny Pacquiao. For Manny, have lots of matches and aim for Guinness Book of Record, the most numerous one or win. And next time, no blood, just knock them down. No blood, just knock them down. You might get intimidated again. And this is boxing. I can suggest no pity, because I pity him too. Or if I were you, I will get intimidated by the blood of his face too. It's totally inhumane to punch him hard. So Manny Pacquiao adjusts his punch to punch points rather than punch knockouts. In the late, please observe, analyze it too. In the late 1 minute up to 30 seconds, 1 minute 30 seconds in round 6, Manny Pacquiao will adjust his punch. He did adjust his punch to punch points rather than punch knockouts. He is very much intimidated with the blood of Marquez. This has been Marlo Antonio Pareño from Manila, Philippines, saying bye guys, love you guys. Manny Pacquiao still rules. Manny Pacquiao still number 1. Bye guys, love you guys.